This is A Tale of Two Blades. I have an order for a Bowie knife, and this is the original blade I forged. I like the shape of it. It's not really classic Bowie, but the more I look at it, the more I see imperfections in it that I don't like. Not enough to sell. I'm probably going to end up finishing this one out and just keep it for a beater camp knife for myself. But that one's out, and this one is in. As a classic Bowie, it's forged and ground. I got a little bit more cleanup to do on the bevels, and then it'll be ready for heat treat. But this will be the replacement. Much better. A lot happier with this one. Something I'll be proud to put my name on when I get it finished.